This 2023 Keystone Avalanche 378BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, slide-out, oven, refrigerator, air conditioning, awning, smoke detector, leveling jacks, microwave, stovetop burner, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Keystone Avalanche 378BH is 14,000 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.